Today, we're diving into how to accept Steam gifts, a must-know for all PC gamers. There are two ways to receive your gift. The first way is, you will receive an email containing a link that will open Steam to redeem your gift, or in the Steam client, you will receive a notification at the top right corner that says you have a new gift as seen below. From there, you accept the gift, then go to your library to install the game. The second way is, open your Steam inventory, then find and select the gift, choose Add to My Library. You can view your gift history by clicking at 3 dot, then choose View Gift History. If you click on Decline Gift, Steam will issue a refund to the original sender. You can optionally include a note when you choose to decline the gift, whether you do or not. Steam will email the sender to let them know the gift was declined. When you add the game to your library, it will be listed in your library games list in Steam. Highlighting the game and clicking the install will download the game to your computer. If the game is already in your library, you will receive a notification that it is, and you will not be able to add it. If the game is not in your library, you will receive a pop-up notification confirming your actions. And if you have any duplicate games in a package, you will be notified that you will not receive extra copies as seen below. If you attempt to add a game to your library that requires additional games that you don't own, you will receive an error message as well. Gifting questions. 1. Do gifts expire if they are not redeemed in a certain amount of time? After a gift has been delivered to a friend, they have 30 days to accept the gift. Once the gift has been accepted, the game is permanently subscribed to the Steam account that it was redeemed on. 2. How can I tell someone else how to give me a gift on Steam? To give a gift on Steam, your friend may simply create a Steam account online and then purchase a gift from the Steam store as a gift. Do not allow someone else to use your Steam account to make a gift purchase, as it can compromise your account security. 3. What will my friends see if I send them a Steam gift? When you send a gift to your friend, they will receive an email and a notification at the top of their Steam client that they have received a new gift. 4. I send gifts to Steam users in other regions. Territory restrictions are noted on the Steam store page. Steam support cannot make changes to territory or language restrictions. 5. And I gift game packs. Yes, you can gift game packs the same way you would gift an individual game. 4 packs of games cannot be gifted. 6. How can I tell if my friend already owns the games I would like to gift? If your friends are members of your Steam friends list, you can learn whether they already own the game you'd like to give. Your Steam friends who already own this game will automatically be filtered out of the potential list of recipients. You can also visit your friend's Steam community profile and click the link to view all games to view your friend's list of owned games on Steam before purchasing them a gift. 7. I give multiple gifts at the same time. You can give as many gifts as you'd like at one time, but only to one friend per transaction. 8. I gift games I no longer play to my friends. You cannot gift games that were previously purchased on your Steam account to friends. 9. May I sell gift subscriptions? Steam gift purchases cannot be sold. Attempting to sell a gift subscription is a violation of the Steam subscriber agreement and may result in your account being permanently disabled. 10. Can I refund my gift? A refund may be issued for any gift that was purchased within 14 days and has been played less than 2 hours by the gift recipient. That's it. If you like the video, thank you.